Asus Tuf Gaming A16 RTX 4060 Unity Systems Solutions Asus Tuf Gaming A16 Ryzen AI 9 Pros USB 4, power delivery up to 100 watt. Fast, stable Wi-Fi 6E. Fast RAM, good CPU performance. Comparatively quiet fans, except turbo. Comparatively cool. Long battery life, quiet mode. You can easily open the lid with one hand. The long lip at the top of the base is useful since it allows you to properly grip the unit while opening the laptop. Processor AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor 2.0 GHz, 36 MB cache, up to 5.1 GHz, 12 cores, 24 threads, AMD XDNA NPU up to 50 TOPS. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Laptop GPU, 233 AI TOPS, 8 GB GDDR6, 2420 MHz at 140 watt, 2370 MHz boost clock plus 50 MHz OC, 115W plus 25W dynamic boost. Rectangle Con, 240 watt AC adapter. Memory 16 GB, LPDDR5X7500. Storage 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe. Display 16-inch, MUX switch plus NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, anti-glare display, refresh rate 144Hz, FHD plus 1610, 1920 by 1200, WUXGA, G-Sync, IPS-level. Connectivity. No matter your setup, the Tuf Gaming A16 will keep you connected. A dedicated HDMI 2.1 port is supplemented by dual USB Type-C with DisplayPort support, as well as the power and versatility of USB 4. Fast and reliable Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax ensures that you'll be able to get online and be productive wherever compatible connections are available, or you can wire up directly with Gigabit Ethernet on board. The for special keys, volume down up, MIC mute, and Armory crate, and the full format arrow keys are back. In addition, there is now a dedicated Copilot key. Asus claims that the latency of key actuation has been improved by 17%. Asus specifies a key travel of 1.7 mm. The feedback is clearly noticeable, and the keystroke noise is moderate. As is usually the case with Asus gaming laptops, the WASD keys are visually highlighted, but the rest of the lettering is a little too dark with their thin grey coloring. A single RGB backlight helps in low-light situations. Powerful components require powerful cooling, so we've equipped the Tuf Gaming A16 with a whole suite of technology to keep it running at peak performance. From the second-gen arc flow fans inspired by aircraft engines to a full-width heatsink and integrated dust filters, the A16 will never lose its cool. Performance. As a member of the Tuf Gaming family, the A16 boasts some seriously impressive specs, giving you access to the very best of gaming on Windows 11. Featuring an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor and up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU, the A16 can easily play the latest games or keep your workflow on schedule. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X7500 MHz memory and up to 1 TB of expandable PCIe Gen 4 storage, this little machine is ready for anything, right out of the box. Every gaming laptop needs powerful graphics, so the Tuf Gaming A16 comes equipped with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU. With a 140-watt max TGP with dynamic boost, equipped with AI-accelerated technologies like DLSS 3.5 with frame generation and ray reconstruction, the A16 can easily power the latest and most graphically intense games. The Tuf Gaming A16 also supports NVIDIA Advanced Optimus for maximum performance in games, and better battery life in lighter workloads. When you need to game or work on the go, the 2024 Tuf Gaming A16 has more than enough juice to get the job done. A large 90-watt battery allows you to work away from the wall for longer, and USB Type-C charging allows you charging flexibility if you left the power supply at home. 90-watt battery. 100-watt Type-C charging. 50% in 30 minutes fast charging technology. The ultimate command center. Armoury Crate software unifies system and lighting controls under a single, easy-to-use utility. Its extensive customization options let you personalize aesthetic effects, fine-tune game profiles, and adjust audio settings to fit your preferences. With scenario profiles, you can define and custom preferences that automatically adjust performance and other options when you launch your favorite apps and games. With Armoury Crate, you take complete control of your experience.